Popular verbs popular liked or enjoyed by many people. Verbs action words that describe what someone or something is doing. Run to move quickly using your legs. Jump to push yourself off the ground and into the air using your legs. Skip to move forward by hopping on alternate feet. Dance to move your body in a way that follows a rhythm or music. Sing to produce musical sounds with your voice. Eat to consume food. Play to engage in fun and enjoyable activities. Read to look at and understand the meaning of written or printed words. Write to form letters or words on a surface. Draw to make pictures or diagrams with a pencil, pen, or crayon. Paint to decorate a surface using colors. Build to construct something by putting parts together. Climb to go up or down something using your hands and feet. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. She likes to listen to popular music on the radio. 2. Verbs are important words in English sentences. 3. I run in the park every morning for exercise. 4. The boy can jump high over the fence. 5. Let's skip rope together at the playground. 6. The children love to dance at birthday parties. 7. My sister loves to sing in the school choir. 8. We eat dinner together as a family every night. 9. The kids play outside with their friends after school. 10. I like to read books in bed before going to sleep. 11. Maria likes to write stories about her adventures. 12. The little girl loves to draw pictures of animals. 13. He paints beautiful landscapes on canvas. 14. We will build a sandcastle at the beach tomorrow. 15. Sarah can climb to the top of the tree without any help.